Welcome to Smart Factory TV, news for the manufacturing industry in 60 seconds.
To plan and produce efficiently, manufacturing companies need a wide selection of IT applications. In contrast to monolithic systems, MPDV's Manufacturing Integration Platform, MIP for short, is an open platform that allows applications from different providers to be combined as needed, creating an ecosystem that brings great benefits to manufacturing companies and developers, system integrators, and machine manufacturers. By the way, you're already part of this ecosystem with the latest version of Hydra, as the integrated MES Weaver 4.0p enables Hydra to use the MIP as the basis. For more information, visit our homepage at mpdv.com.